Yes, when I'm at home, I do use my BoboVR S3 Pro head strap here that comes with battery and everything, which will extend the duration of my gaming, because with those battery I can game much longer, of course, than the battery that comes with the Quest. The battery with the Quest that just give me about, I don't know, like 30-40 minutes of gaming, and then that's it. I need to recharge the Quest. So that's, of course, help. But when I'm on the go, I don't want to bring this bulky head strap with me, and I have to find a solution to still be able to enjoy my headset for a longer time. And for this, I just got the following: this portable power bank, which should help exactly for what I need. So once I don't use this head strap, I'm going to use this power bank. But first, let's see how it looks like and also what kind of accessory we have with it. It's right now. Portable power bank, what's in the box? Let's have a look. So it's small, which I like, because you want small to don't add too much weight on your headset. So that's the power bank itself. And hop, here we go. We do have a USB-C A to USB-C cable, short cable, about a foot long maybe. And we have here a user manual. There we go. About how to use the device. It's pretty straightforward in any case. And that's it for the box. And now reveal time for the device itself. Oh, look at that. All nice and white. I like the white color. It's going to match my headset perfectly. So it's very compact, fit in the hands. Here we do have a button that when we press the button, it should show you the charge of the device, 51%. So it's nice with a little LED screen here. There you go, you can see. Here we do have a USB-C connector here, and here we have a USB-C port, female, male here, female here, for charging the device. So that will be to connect to your headset, and that will be to connect the provided cable to recharge this mini power bank. And here we do have some specification for those interested. Of course, before the first use, don't forget to recharge it at 100%. It's important if you want to enjoy its capacity fully. But once it's fully charged, let's see, the moment that everybody is waiting for, to connect it to the headset. And you can, since it's USB-C, you can connect it either that way or that way. It's up to you. It looks better that way, so let's go connect it here. There we go. Immediately we do have lights that the headset is charging. So the power bank is charging the headset. That's a good sign. And everything looks nice and works as expected. Look at that. Looks very great. It does not feel too much heavy on the headset. So side heavy, nope. That's great, because when you play, you don't want more weight on your headset. And here we go. Fully functional. I like that. And it's going to be very practical when I bring my headset about at a friend's party and stuff like that. Without my BoboVR head strap, I will have this power bank here that give me extra gaming time.